Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will write 10-line essay on Janmashtami. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is Janmashtami celebrates Lord Krishna's birthday. Second line is it is a colorful and joyful festival in India. Third line is people decorate temples and homes with flowers. Fourth line is they sing and dance to Krishna's bhajans. Fifth line is many people fast and break their fast after midnight. Sixth line is some dress up as Krishna and Radha in plays. Seventh line is special sweets like panjiri are made for the occasion. Eighth line is clay pots filled with curd are hung high for the dahi handi game. Ninth line is kids love to hear stories about Krishna's adventures. Last line is it is a time of happiness and togetherness for families.